Hello again, we're going to look at some foundational number skills, and in particular we're going to look at how to multiply by powers of 10 and how to divide. Right, let's look at multiplying by powers of 10 first. Question 1. 7 times 100 equals, here's what we do. You multiply the two first figures together, significant figures. 7 times 1 is 7, and you count the number of zeros. Got 2 zeros, so you add 2 zeros. So the answer is 700. Let's look at a different one. Question 2. 80 times 1000 equals. Multiply the significant, that's the first figures together. 8 times 1, 8. How many zeros have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we write it as 8 followed by 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, to make it easier to the reader, we put a comma every three figures from the right. We pronounce that 80,000. Let's look at one more example where we haven't got a 1 beginning one of the numbers. Here, I'll give you an example. 50 times 300. Multiply the significant figures, that's the first figures together. 5 times 3 equals 15. And then count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to add 3 zeros. The same as the number in the question. So there's our answer. Now with the comma in, 15,000. What about dividing by powers of 10? Let's look at question 4. 700 divided by 10. We first write it as a fraction. And then we cancel 1 0 on the top for 1 on the bottom. So the answer is 70 over 1. And any number over 1 is itself. So it's 70. Show you that again. Question 5. 9,000 divided by 1,000. So we first write it as a fraction. So it's 9,000 over 1,000. Cancel the zeros 1 for 1. A fair bit of cancelling here. 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. And the answer is 9 over 1. Or 9. And one final example we're going to look at. I'm going to keep the videos brief from now on. It's my new motto. Question 6. About 30 divided by 100. Start as before. 30 on the top, first number on the top, second number, the one we're dividing by in the bottom, the denominator. Cancel 1 for 1, and we're left with 3 over 10. And that's it. That's all we do. So when you're dividing, write them as a fraction and cancel off the zeros. When you're multiplying, multiply the significant figures, that's the first figures together, and then add the same number of zeros as there are in the question. Thank you for listening.